Hello, Adam.
Hello again, Navdi.
Fastest route found to Early Bird Cafe.
You and me, we're busy people. And being busy means checking your phone, even when you're not supposed to. Even when you're on the road. But now there's Navdi. Hold on, I gotta get this. Casey, talk to me.
Hey Adam, quick reminder. First thing today is that coffee with Connie and Greg at the Early Bird.
Already on my way. See, what's brilliant about Navdi is that...
Faster route found. Automatically rerouting to save 10 minutes.
Perfect. Never been this way before. Gonna switch to Navdi Dash. See, what's so brilliant about Navdi is its display is focused in the distance, so your eyes are never off the road. It's also 40 times brighter than your smartphone, and it dims automatically, so it's easy to see day or night. In fact, it works... Sorry, I gotta take this one too.
Greg and I actually want to do Roy's Cafe out on 62, smiley face.
Oh, awesome. Luckily, Roy's is one of my favorites. Navdi uses Google Maps and built-in offline maps, so you'll never get lost, like out here in the desert. And it's connected to your car, which means that...
Low on gas. Rerouting to nearest gas station.
Text Connie, be there in 15.
You have arrived.
Thanks, Navdi. See you soon.
This head-up display is the smarter way to use your phone behind the wheel. Hudley Wireless lets you navigate, talk, and text without looking down at your phone. Used for decades by fighter jets to safely navigate the skies, Hudley is now bringing this futuristic tech to your car. Fumble with your phone while driving? Hudley is for you. Reduce distractions and chances for an accident with vital driving info directly in your line of sight. Customize your drive by casting any app onto the clear display that doesn't block the road. Directions float on the road, guiding you to your destination. Enjoy crisp image quality in all lighting conditions. Keep your eyes on the road and drive with 100% confidence. Hudley is the proven solution for stress-free, safer driving.
Introducing Zeus, the world's first truly smart car charger. Designed in Germany, Zeus has both brains and beauty. The elegant shine lighting system provides enhanced visibility in dark environments. And most importantly, Zeus is the only smart charger that can help you find your car. When you're at a loss, simply open the Zeus app and follow the red arrow to find your car. Zeus also sports a powerful smart chipset to deliver the swiftest charge to any device. Charge 2 iPads at 2 times the speed of normal car chargers. Zeus is also the only charger to meet US military high-temperature standard. Another reason why Zeus is different. 2 times the speed, 2 times smarter, never lose your car.
Rooftop cargo bag is ideal for on-the-go families, adventure seekers, or anyone just looking for some additional space while traveling. With an overall size of 34 inches wide by 44 inches long and 17 inches deep, it provides 15 cubic feet of extra room. While its heavy-duty, rubber-laminated nylon construction protects your gear against rain, wind, sun damage, and grit. The flexible sides adjust to a variety of cargo shapes and will fold easily for storage, so it's there when you need it. Keeper's waterproof rooftop cargo bag is designed to fit all roof racks, but is not recommended for temporary roof racks. Clean the mounting surface on the roof and unzip the cargo bag and place it in the center between the luggage rack rails. Then clean the bottom of the bag to prevent scratching the paint. If the crossbars are adjustable, move them close to the bag. Check for any damage or wear to the bag or straps, and make sure the opening of the cargo bag is facing the back of the vehicle. As you are loading items into your bag, place heavier items on the bottom and distribute the weight evenly, being careful not to damage your roof. Check the owner's manual to see the maximum weight rating of the roof and luggage rack to prevent damaging your vehicle. To prevent excessive wind noise, fill the cargo bag as completely as possible. When you're finished packing, zip the bag closed toward the back of the bag. Then pull the zipper cover down completely all the way around the waterproof cargo bag. Use the attached hook and loop fasteners to secure the zipper cover. This will ensure that water does not enter the bag. The 8-point tie-down securely attach the bag to the vehicle without the need for extra lashing straps. Pull the straps down and around the luggage rack and connect it to the buckle. Use all 8 straps to secure the bag to the crossbars and rails. Keeping the bag centered in the luggage rack, tighten each strap to secure it to your vehicle and keep the contents from moving inside of the bag. Use the slide buckles to remove the slack from the straps. After the first 10 miles, check the straps to make sure the bag is securely attached to the luggage rack, and then check again every 50 miles. Enjoy your trip!